action, let's go. 저 건물을 찾으러.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Titis and all friends. We from Group 6 will present about kyphosis. Before starting, let me introduce the group members. My name is Rila Rasati Dewi.
My name is Yasabita Karimah.
My name is Aska Zahra.
My name is Davina Putri Hairunisa.
My name is Marie Magdalena.
My name is Rahma Cikatilanusa.
Next slide. The first discussion is the definition. Kyphosis is a form of abnormality that occurs in the human spine which causes a bent body posture. Okay, next slide. Maria, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Laras. Postural kyphosis. Postural kyphosis are also called round this form appear with younger teenager. This is due to poor body posture and weak back ligament muscle, suppressed experience musculoskeletal disorders, MESDS, such as symptom of pain and weakness back muscle. Congenital kyphosis. This type of kyphosis is very rare. The cause of this kyphosis is when it occurs abnormal spinal ground before birth. This is happen when the baby is still in the womb. Therefore, while still in the womb, woman should consume the best food for the fetus. However, if the child is born with an abnormal condition, kyphosis is treated with surgery as early as possible. Scheuermann kyphosis caused by structural abnormalities of the spine type. This kyphosis can develop into scoliosis. This type of kyphosis can develop into scoliosis abnormal curvature of the spine to the side. The causes is not yet known. This type of kyphosis can not only attack the spine, but also the neck, chest, and even the waist. Kyphosis osteoporosis. Causes of kyphosis in adults and more occurs more often in women than men. Brittle or porous bones are the causes. When this happens in old age, the kyphosis will not straighten again. Osteoporotic kyphosis is also called nutritional kyphosis, where a lack of vitamin D causes brittle bones. Next slide is Aska. Aska, time is yours.
Thank you, Maria. There is an effect of kyphosis. One is difference in right and left shoulder height. 2. Differences in height or position of the shoulder blades. 3. The head looks tilted more forward than the rest of the body. 4. The back looks slant when bending. 5. The back muscle of the thighs or hamstring muscle feel tight. 6. Pain or stiffness in the back. 7. Fatigue. The next slide will be presented by Davina. Davina, time is yours.
Thank you, Aska. Now I will mention and explain the sign of people who have kyphosis. First, different in the height of the right and left shoulder. There is difference in the height of the right and left shoulder in people with kyphosis. We can see the sign when one of a person's shoulder looks higher than the other. This is caused by muscle imbalance around the upper spine. Second, difference in the height or position of the scapula. One person's scapula may be higher or more protrude than the other. This is caused by an imbalance of the muscles around the upper spine. Third, head looks more forward than the rest of the body. The sign can be seen if we look at it from the side. The head of a person with kyphosis may look more forward than the rest of the body. This is due to the body's attempt to maintain balance despite the excessive curving of the upper spine. Fourth, the back looks tilted when bending over. When person who have kyphosis bends over, their back may look tilted to one side. This happens because of excessive curvature of the upper spine. The upper back protrudes. This sign can be seen when person stand upright. The upper spine will protrude backwards. This is caused by excessive curvature of the upper spine. Okay, next slide will be presented by Asia Sabita. Asia, time is yours.
Thank you, Lovina. Here there are several symptoms, namely, first, the height difference in the right shoulder and left shoulder. Second, the difference in height of position on the shoulder blades. Third, back pain. And the last, the muscles in the hamstring feel tight. The next slide will be read by Chika. Chika, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Asia. This is a treatment of kyphosis. The first is back pain reliefs and other medication. Symptoms of back pain can be relieved by taking pain medication such as acetaminophen or Tylenol others, ibuprofen or Advil Motrin IV others, or naproxen sodium oral. And the second kyphosis therapy. This is a two therapy. The first is physical therapy and the second bracing therapy. And the first physical therapy, male kyphosis can be treated with physical therapy undergoing a daily exercise program at home which focuses on strengthening the spine and simple stretches. And then bracing therapy. Bracing is a special supporting device that is attached to the spine. And the third operation, patient with spinal deformities that are curved more than 75 degrees or do not improve with therapy will be recommended to undergo surgery. The operation performed to treat kyphosis is called spinal fusion. The next slide will be presented by Maria. From Maria, time is yours.
Thank you, Chika. Solution: how to treat kyphosis, including using a breast surgery. According to the severity of kyphosis, you can also do exercise treats properly to relieve kyphosis, can straighten spine, opening the front chest and shoulders, thoracic spine mobility exercise, and exercise to corrective kyphosis angles positive with a forward head posture. Ensure the spine is free from injury and ready to move and do mobility exercise. Next slide is Aska. Aska, time is yours.
Thank you, Maria. Next slide. There is a suggestion as below. Kyphosis patients can use back supports or brace are given to pediatric patients with specimen kyphosis whose spine is curved more than 65 degrees and still has the potential to become more severe. Brace should be worn to 30 hours a day or only removed when bathing until the spine stops growing, usually until the age of 14 to 15 years. The goal is to prevent the spine from curving further. Please note this procedure is not performed on patients whose spine has stopped growing because it will not improve the condition of the spine. Next will be back to the moderator. Moderator, time is yours.
Okay. Okay, next slide. Okay, that's all from our group. Sorry if there are any wrong words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
트레저와 함께 달려 Ready for action, let's go. 저 건물을 찾으러